Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishita with two E's, and today's video is sort of different and really fun. Now you know how lockdown ke starting mein everybody was obsessing over how to click your own pictures at home, make setups at home, and self-portrait challenges. Now I have been doing it since ages, so I didn't really make a video back then. But now I felt like I should challenge myself because I've literally stopped making content for Instagram, and I know I should be making reels. I will do that. But basically I thought a self-portrait challenge would be fun. So I posted a story and a post on my YouTube and Instagram and just asked for some fun themes and all. So I've selected 4 to 5 of them. I'm not sure मैं कितना कर पाऊँगी इस वीडियो में. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy this. So anytime I have to shoot for pictures or a video, my preparation is the same. I take a long shower, wash my hair, shave most of the days. I cannot survive waxing, and I don't have the patience for using hair removal cream. Shaving is fuss free and quick. I don't even remember मैंने कब से shave करना start कर दिया था, but in the initial years that I used to shave without exfoliating has led to a lot of ingrowth, especially around my thighs. Like I do have severe spots there. And another issue is strawberry legs. I think it's very common amongst women who don't really exfoliate. Trust me, scrubbing your skin before shaving can make a huge difference in your skin. Let me tell you, not only does it give you a cleaner shave, but also make sure that your skin is healthy and more glowing by removing all the dead skin. If you are using a really nice body scrub, the one that I have been loving for weeks is MCafe's Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. I've actually finished half of it. Actually half से ज़्यादा ही हो गया है. This is one of those extremely hyped products on Instagram and YouTube. I've seen so many bloggers take up their strawberry leg challenge, and I just wanted to try it out once for myself, and I totally get the hype. It's amazing. First of all, it has Arabica coffee, and the smell of it proves it. It's so good and tempting. Now I am a big time coffee lover. In fact, अभी मैं अपनी coffee cut कर रही हूँ because it fucks up with my sleep cycle. So इसकी smell just is really nice for me. It's very refreshing for me. Along with coffee, it has compressed coconut oil, so it makes sure that while you're scrubbing your body, it is nourishing it as well. And it's extremely convenient to use as well. It comes with this wooden spoon, so you can just scoop out a good amount of the scrub, put it on your palms, and wet skin pe just scrub it in circular motions for a few minutes. That's it. I have actually tried other body scrubs in the market as well, but somehow iska texture is the best. It's not way too drying. Iska texture is not very harsh for your skin as well. And if you use it regularly or even twice a week, it will work on your uneven skin tone, tan, cellulite, and for me it is working on my ingrowth. Like I can see a difference around my thigh area. Now all MCafe products are SLS paraben cruelty free, and they are also 100% vegan, making it a safer option for your skin. So yeah, definitely check them out. I'm gonna link this product in the description box for you to see. Now let's go ahead and watch me struggle while taking some pictures for my Instagram. You can actually rate my pictures as well. I think it would be fun. This video was fun for me to create, and I hope it's fun for you to watch as well. So yeah, let's go. So the first challenge that attracted me the most was to recreate a celebrity or your favorite influencer's style or picture. So उसके बाद से I started scrolling through all of Komal Pandey's and That Boho Girls and Sejal Kumar. सबकी feed में मैं घूमती रहती थी. Dolly Singh की कुछ मुझे recreatable मिल जाए. And then 2 दिन पहले somebody commented on my video on YouTube that oh my god, she looks exactly like Shreya Mehta. Shreya Mehta की doppelganger. Like 2 comments आ गए थे ऐसे. I was like यही करते हैं. So I have decided to recreate my doppelganger Shreya Mehta, aka the Filmy Kudi's picture. Came across these series of pictures that she did. They were all black and white. She was wearing an off-shoulder top. मेरे पास वो exact top है, but अभी वो मिल नहीं रहा है. And I'm pretty sure इस वीडियो के लाइव जाते ही 2 दिन बाद मुझे वो टॉप मिल जाएगा. मेरे पास सेम बैंगल्स भी थे, but वो मम्मी वाले घर पे है. तो I just have these. बहुत ही गंदा recreation होने वाला है, but I'll try. Let me know what do you think. Do I actually look like her? Like there are similarities, but itna bhi nahi hai. So for this picture, all I had to do was play around with my hair and smile like her, and these are what the final pictures looked like. Honestly, batana, do you really think we look similar? Like I can see the similarity between our nose and thoda sa jawline, but yeah. What do you think? So the next challenge is ugly location challenge, which I feel was a big trend कुछ टाइम पहले तक. So अभी मैं अपने घर के पास कोई ugly location ढूंढूंगी and then I'll try to click a picture. So this was our first location. I thought it was ugly enough for an ugly challenge, but a lot of people on Instagram did not feel so. So मैंने एक Instagram story डाली थी कि is that location ugly enough for an ugly location challenge, and everybody said no. So मैंने जो pictures भी click करी वो waste हो गई. Now I am looking for another ugly location. God, I think we found our location. This is proper ugly. मैं और कुछ नहीं सुनूंगी. This is ugly. We found this somewhere around our locality. पता नहीं चलते चलते दूर कहीं. And my initial plan was to sit on that stool that we see. You know, काफ़ी अच्छे low angle shots आते हैं, but then I thought self portrait challenge would be difficult because I'll have to jump off that stool every time to see the picture, frame, focus and everything. So I took the easy way out and मैंने ऐसा frame रखा कि जो पीछे sun rays आ रही हैं वो frame में आए and it gives a very natural flare in the picture. And these are the final picture. What do you think? It's actually a very simple trick to make your pictures look much better. So somebody suggested that I should try a vintage themed picture, but see, whenever I think of anything vintage, all I see is those net wale gloves and pearls. I didn't have any of them, so I thought let's do something Indian. And I came across some really nice pictures, mostly like 60s ke time ki portraits, and all of them were wearing sarees and ban and gajra and all, and a lot of jewelry. And then I came across this picture and I thought I can easily recreate it. So मैंने अपने couch पे ये सोफा कवर जो हर घर में होता है मुझे लगता है वो बिछा लिया है. आई पुट अप सब लाइट्स. मैं थोड़ा इंडियन पहना भी है. आई वॉज प्लान कि मैं घर जाके मम्मी की साड़ी ले आऊँ, बट हो नहीं पाया. सो मैंने फिर दुपट्टा ले लिया. इट हैज़ दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ बनारसी प्रिंट. आई थिंक इट लुक्स गुड. आई होप कि पिक्चर्स टर्न आउट नाइस. आई थिंक इस शूट का सबसे बड़ा स्टार वॉज द लाइटिंग, जिसके लिए आई यूज्ड माई लैम्प. Let me know if you liked these pictures. I think I could have done a better job अगर मैं साड़ी पहनती, you know, blouse and साड़ी थोड़ा और अच्छे से इस couch पे लेटती, but I think this was fine. I've seen a lot of people do these kind of shoots on Instagram, like desi aesthetics. I think vintage से ज़्यादा ये थोड़ा desi aesthetics थे, but it turned out to be nice, I think. What do you think? So the next challenge is using a prop with my initial, like first letter of my name, which is I. So I just had two options. आइस या फिर आइसक्रीम. बाकी मैं कुछ बहुत चैलेंजिंग नहीं लेना चाहती थी. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज कि जब हम अगली फोटोशूट करने गए थे तभी डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर से आई बॉट दीज आइसक्रीम्स. 2 और पड़ी अंदर. दे डिड नॉट हैव एनी कॉर्नेटो. मेरा बहुत मन था कि मैं कॉर्नेटो लूँ बिकॉज आई लव बटर स्कॉच कॉर्नेटो, बट दे ओनली हैड चोको बार्स. सो या, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ प्रीटी ईजी वन. आई एम जस्ट गोना सिट इन दिस सेटअप विद दिस क्यूट स्वेटर एंड मैंने वेट येलो सॉक्स भी पहने हैं जस्ट टू मैच दिस एंड थोड़ा क्यूट लगे ताकि. आई ऑल्सो वाज थिंकिंग कि मैं येलो वॉल के अगेंस्ट पिक्चर लूँ, बट आई थिंक बहुत ब्राइट हो जाएगा. सो ग्रे वॉल फॉर द विन एंड लेट्स डू इट. So I literally just sat down in this cute सा corner and started eating my ice cream and posing. मैं एक एक पोज करके पहले चेक करती थी कि the picture is fine, if I have to change anything. And I feel after a few minutes, I just started enjoying my ice cream. मैं pictures लेना भूल गई. But these are the final pictures. I feel these are the cutest pictures that I clicked in this video. इनमें से एक को तो मैंने अपना Instagram DP भी बना लिया है. So yeah, that was all for this challenge. I hope that you found this fun. If you have any more fun challenges that I might do on this channel and you might be interested in watching, please let me know. क्योंकि I feel सिर्फ हॉल्स एंड ऐसे सिट डाउन वीडियोस भी काफ़ी बोरिंग हो सकता है. सो या, एंड या, दैट इज ऑल फॉर दिस वीक्स वीडियो. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय. 1 2 3 फक इट.